welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new to show you. It's not new per se, but for Reborn, a new update is coming, and that will allow you to use asymmetrical baked on mesh, which means you can get your arms and your feet to have different tattoos on them, or different layers. So first off, I'm going to zoom in. I am using a beta version of the Reborn at the moment, as the 2.0 has not been released yet. So once it's released, this will be the official. Now, I am only wearing a body skin and a head skin, and obviously cosmetics and stuff. But for the purposes of this video, I have left my skin off for all the other items that we need. So I'm going to show you what happens if you do not have a universal layer for your left arm and your left foot. Now, if you turn it on without having that, your arm will disappear, and so will your foot. The nails will stay, as they are not affected by the baked on mesh. But obviously, we don't want them to disappear. And that is where we need to go and check your skin creators and see if they have the layers that you need. I use Velour. This is the Angel body skin, and I use a Rose Kiss for mine. So I'm going to add this. And now, as you can see, nothing has really changed. It is still the same. However, if I now click the left arm, it stays there. Same with the left foot. If I click it, it will stay. Now, the reason it will stay is because the skin is on a universal layer, you can see here. And that is important to note, because if I minimize this, if I put on, let's take these off. If I put on a regular Bom tattoo, this is something I've just made for this thing, so don't worry about the looks of it. It will be the same on both, because this is how baked on mesh works. It is it's mirrored. You can't have one without the other. But with the left arm, if it's on a universal layer, it will give you the option to put it on the left arm, and obviously it will not show up because I have not toggled it, but it will also not be on that arm. Now, if I toggle the left arm, it will only be on the left arm. So now you can have one tattoo that covers this and the body and the legs and one foot, and you can put the other stuff on the left foot and the left arm. Now with that, I'm going to show you, because I made this. I edit. Regular Bom will have head, upper, lower, and then tint window. Now the universal gives you more options, like skirt, hair, eyes, left arm, left leg. Now it says left leg, it means the foot, because on a UV the legs are separate. It's only the foot that is the same. So if you put something on the left leg, we're gonna randomly put, there we go. That's not gonna show up. This one, we'll go with this one. If I now save this, it should show a little bit weird there, but the point gets across, that, you know, you can have different ones. So it is important that you have the asymmetric layer, the universal layer, to be able to get the arm to show, and then also to use tattoos if you're wanting it only on the left, to have that on the left. Now, I've shown this is the tattoo as it was, but however, I used the I used the Robin Wood UV layout just for ish precision, and this is what it would look like. So obviously I have placed the tattoo on the arm. It is the same as it would be on the regular bum. It uses the same, goodness me, I completely forgot what I was doing. It uses the same, there we go, I needed to wear it to edit it. It's the same layout, but it needs to be on a universal layer, and and so that is how we use them. And then obviously you can toggle it on and off again, and if you do not feel like taking the layer off, you don't really have to, because it won't do anything unless you're toggling it anyways. So, you know, it's one of those things where you can leave it on or you can take it off depending on what you're wanting to do with it. But anyways, I hope that this has been helpful. If not, please just just comment with some questions, and I'll try and help figure it out, and maybe update the video for it. So yeah, with that, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Goodbye.